Today's Thursday, March 26th. This is the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado left and right hand power window motor assemblies. This is for my friend Peter Bartz in Australia. So this is the third and final video of the fully assembled embodiment. In the predecessor videos I had the bench layout and the pre-assembly state of the fully lubricated individual component parts, showing how the motor had been completely disassembled all the way to the final screw, the armature rewound, the brushes changed, and we're going to be doing a functional validation test now of the fully assembled embodiment under power. And they have a rotating coupling that just drops inside here, but I'm going to keep it open so we can look at the worm gear inside and understand the power of these motors. So these motors, unlike the aftermarket motors, are the original vintage 1967 Eldorado specific power window motors. These are high torque motors for lifting up the very heavy monolithic window. So if you replace these and you used aftermarket ones and you're not getting the performance that you would expect to have with the original design, it's because those are under torque motors, whereas these original vintage motors are high RPM, high torque motors. So I'm going to go ahead and apply power. And we can see the worm gear actuating inside. I'll reverse the rotation. And we can see we have a very, very powerful result. I'll go ahead and do the other motor. And we'll be looking over here from this side. I'll apply power for test. And reverse. So we can see we have a very, very powerful sound, a very, very powerful rotation, and basically these drop-in gears just drop in place such as this, interlock with the worm gear. Okay, and I'll go ahead and test that. And reverse. The other side. Reverse. Okay, and that's the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado left-hand and right-hand fully restored high torque motors for my friend Peter in Australia. These will be shipping out as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is Eldorado, Georgia, in Florida. I have over